Mamelodi Sundowns failed to capitalise on their home ground advantage as they were held to a goalless draw by defending CAF champions Ahl Ahly in the first leg of their semi-final clash on Saturday evening. Despite dominating possession for large spells at Loftus Versfeld, the Brazilians lacked the creative spark and cutting edge needed to breach a resolute Red Devils defense. Sundowns failed to register a single shot on target in front of their home fans, a rare statistic for a side renowned for its attacking flair. The South African champions looked laboured in the opening half, with their high-profile forward line including Lucas Ribeiro, Peter Shalul, and Ikrim Reyners, struggling to find rhythm. Credit must go to Ahl Ahly, who maintained tactical discipline and limited the hosts to half chances throughout the encounter. The visitors, meanwhile, came agonizingly close to snatching an away goal. The Slovenian striker Gradisar rattled the woodwork with a header from Imam's inviting cross, leaving Sundowns keeper Ronwen Williams rooted. Gradisar found the net later in the 69th minute, only for his celebration to be cut short by the assistant referee's flag. Asha also thought he had snatched a late winner, but again the offside trap came to Sundowns' rescue. In a significant tactical trick, under fire defender Lucas Suarez was benched following a string of high-profile errors, the most recent in a 2-1 Nedbank Cup semi-final defeat to Kaizer Chiefs. Musa Libusa stepped in and delivered a composed performance, helping his side secure a clean sheet. Still, the lack of attacking cohesion raised questions about the head coach Miguel Cardoso's approach. With an arsenal of attacking talent at his disposal, including the likes of Ribeiro and Shalul, the inability to carve out clear chances will concern the Portuguese tactician ahead of a daunting second-leg trip to Cairo. Sundowns now face the daunting task of needing a win or a scoring draw in Egypt to progress to the final. Cardoso and his tactical team have just days to find the right formula or risk watching their continental dreams slip away once again. The stage is set for an intense return leg. The question remains, can Sundowns find their bite in Cairo? On the other hand, Mamelodi Sundowns announced that Zwane has signed a contract extension to keep him at Clearcorp for another season. Zwane's current deal was set to expire at the end of the season, but the Brazilians have since announced through their social media platforms that the club captain has put pen to paper on a new contract. The club posted, "Shishi is here to stay. Captain Zwane has penned a contract extension, keeping him at the club beyond 2024-2025 season." Meanwhile, Zwane made his return to the Sundowns team on Saturday when they played Ahl Ahly in the first leg of the CAF Champions League semi-final at Loftus Stadium. Zwane, who spent months on the sidelines recovering from an injury, came on for Jaden Adams in the 70th minute, but the Sundowns skipper could not help his team to get a goal that could have given them an advantage going into the second leg in Egypt next Friday. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.